Once your SMS campaign reaches active status, your registration is complete and you are ready to send messages. From the client portal, click the SMS Campaigns tab. You will see two cards side by side, the brand registration card on the left and the campaign registration card on the right. Both cards show a green active status badge, which confirms that your brand and campaign have been fully approved by the carriers. This is the view you will see going forward as a fully registered business. Let us look at the campaign registration card in detail. At the top, you will see your campaign ID, which is a unique identifier assigned by the campaign registry. Below that is your use case, which describes the type of messages you are approved to send. The sharing status shows complete, which means your campaign has been successfully shared with all carrier networks. Below the summary, click View Full Details to expand the complete campaign record. Here you will find your campaign description, message flow, sample messages, opt-out and help keywords, and submission dates. These are the exact values that were approved by the carriers and are locked in for this campaign. The brand registration card shows your verified business identity. Your company name, entity type, and TCR brand ID are displayed at a glance. The identity status shows verified, which means your business information has been confirmed against public records. Click View Full Details to see the complete brand profile, including your contact information, industry, vertical, website, address, and registration dates. This brand identity is the foundation for all of your campaigns. As long as your brand remains active, you can register additional campaigns under it without going through brand verification again. Now that your campaign is active, here are a few important things to keep in mind. Your campaign description, sample messages, and content flags were reviewed and approved by the carriers. If your messaging needs change significantly, for example, if you start sending marketing messages on a campaign that was registered for customer care, you should register a new campaign for that purpose, rather than changing the content you send on this one. Sending messages that do not match your registered use case can result in carrier filtering or suspension. Always include your opt-out keyword in messages and respond immediately when someone replies, "Stop" or "Help." These compliance rules protect your sending reputation and keep your messages deliverable. If your business needs to send different types of messages, you can register additional campaigns under the same brand. For example, you might have one campaign for appointment reminders and another for marketing promotions. Each campaign goes through its own registration and approval process, but your brand only needs to be verified once. To start a new campaign, your administrator can set one up for you, or you can submit a new campaign from this same SMS Campaigns tab once your current one is active. Each campaign will have its own use case, description, sample messages, and phone number assignments. To recap, once your campaign is active, you are fully registered and ready to send SMS messages. Your brand and campaign cards in the SMS Campaigns tab are your dashboard for monitoring registration status. Keep your messaging aligned with your registered use case, always honor opt-out requests, and register new campaigns when your messaging needs expand. If you have any questions about your campaign status or need to register a new campaign, contact your account administrator or open a support ticket from the CRM portal. For more details, visit the SMS Campaigns documentation page linked below this video.